Welcome to this instructional video from Pickup Specialties Dooha under the seat storage for 2008 Chevrolet Silverado Crew Cab. Go ahead and take the Dooha out of the packaging. Go ahead and put the Dooha inside the truck. Make sure it's a snug fit. And make sure the straps are connected to the two strap holder places on the top backhand part of the Dooha. You can weave those in the silver hooks on the back wall, tighten them, and then you can go ahead and put your dividers in. Dooha under the seat storage is available from Pickup Specialties or DiscountTruckAccessories.com. They're available in many different shapes, sizes, and colors for many different trucks, year, make, and model. They are molded out of great quality plastic and fit great in your truck and can be used for anything. And then close the seat and voila, there's your Dooha.